Do you charge all the packs? This is my favorite for field charging. It's the Hota F6. It is a DC only 4-way charger. It'll charge 4 batteries at a time, and I pair it up with the Stay High pack. This is a big ass 6S 15,000 mAh field charging battery that's doing its job right here, charging all the packs all at once. It'll charge, if you're flying like 6S 1100s, it'll charge like 12 or 14 off of a single full charge there. But this is what I use when I'm in the field. When I'm at home, this is my charging setup. I've got a pile of F6 Pluses here. Each one of them charges 4 batteries at a time, and I'm charging all the packs. At home, I like to charge at 1C. So for my 1100s, that's 1.1. For 1300, it's 1.3. If I'm in the field, I'm in a hurry, I'll crank it up to like 2C, especially if it's like a race day or I'm on the drift track or I gotta charge fast as fuck. I'm not gonna have enough batteries to keep going, then I'll crank it up to 2C. But for here, this is just fantastic for me. I'm able to get all the batteries done in about an hour or two, and allow me to keep on flying. I usually carry about 20 so batteries, so 12 at once right here is fantastic. Look, another one's done. And with these Hotas, I can just plug another battery in, it'll pick up and automatically keep on charging. Flyhighfpv.com.